Let's talk Autoglym Polar Seal. What is it? When should you use it? How should you use it? And what do we think to one of Autoglym's polar range? Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're going through one of Autoglym's polar range products, which is Autoglym Polar Seal. Polar Seal is a fantastic express sealant that you can apply to your vehicle using a snow foam lens to protect every aspect of the vehicle's exterior, including the glass, the paint and your wheels, all at the wash stage. Polar Seal adds an honest layer of protection to the exterior of the vehicle. It adds a little bit of slickness and a little bit of gloss, making it easy to maintain and easy to wash when you come back around to doing your maintenance washes. Moving on to application and dilution ratios of Polar Seal, it's very straightforward and very easy to use. When diluting Polar Seal in a snow foam lens, you're going to want to aim for 150 ml of product to 850 ml of water and apply a generous layer after you've washed the vehicle. After you've applied to the car, leave it to dwell for around 2 minutes before rinsing off with high pressure water, ensuring that you remove all excess chemical and all excess product off the vehicle surface, which will leave behind a super slick layer of protection and hydrophobic properties. Once this product applied to the vehicle surface, we always recommend never to let it dry out on the surface. This will just cause scarring marks that are hard to remove, and you will have to polish them off the glass, the paintwork and the wheels to just ensure that you give it a great dwell time, but not too long in the sun. In terms of durability, a lot of companies out there are actually giving this 3 months worth of protection, but from my personal experience, you're going to get between 4 and 6 weeks. In terms of protection dropping off the vehicle, the first places you're going to see it is the windscreen and the lower parts of the car, but all we'd recommend doing is actually topping up the protection every time you wash the car using Polar Seal. Depending on the size of the vehicle, you're going to get anywhere between 2 and 4 applications of Polar Seal from a 1 litre snow foam lens, meaning that you're getting great protection but also great value for money. When it comes to my opinion on Autoglym Polar Seal, all I can say is it's a fantastic product that we've used for years and years at Just Car Care and will continue to keep using. The reason that we like it is because it's cost effective, it's easy to use, it doesn't stick around in the car, it's really easy to rinse off, and on top of that it smells absolutely fantastic. Overall, Autoglym Polar Seal is a fantastic product and we would recommend it to anybody. Polar Seal is part of the Polar range by Autoglym, which we've got a full video on next week. And for the time being, if you want to give Polar Seal a try, you can visit our website, justcarcare.co.uk. I will leave a link in the description. If you've tried this product, let us know in the comments section below. If you haven't, grab a bottle from the online store. If you like this video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video.